I want to take just a minute to express our condolences here at NRA News Cam and Company to our longtime company member, longtime viewer Jason, who let me know a couple of days ago. He sent me an email. He said, my wife Denise passed away suddenly and unexpectedly on December 18th of 2013. She was 44. Jason says the aorta in her heart ruptured and there was nothing that they could do. We were only married for 2.5 years. And Jason said when we were first dating, I took her shooting, something that she had never done before. She fired a few rounds from the Mini-14, looked at me and said, oh, I love that smell. It was at that moment I knew that she was the one for me, says Jason. I taught her proper gun safety and etiquette and how to clean her firearms. She was becoming an excellent marksman. She became a member and advocate of the NRA and of the Second Amendment in June of last year. She got her CCW. Her favorite gun was the Ruger 1022 with modifications that she added personally. She never missed an opportunity to go shooting, Jason wrote. And every night before bed, we would usually end our day by watching NRA News with Cam and Company. She will be dearly missed, says Jason. And Jason, again, from all of us, not just here at NRA News, but I know all of us watching and listening, you know, we are a company. We are a community, and I know that our thoughts and our prayers go out to you and yours, and I appreciate you sharing the memories and the love that you have for your wife, Denise Vander Elst. And Jason, again, our thoughts and our prayers are with you and your family, and if there's anything we can do, just let us know. Now, when we come back here on NRA News Cam and Company, it's time for the Armed Citizen File presented by Cheaper Than Dirt. Stick around. We've got more coming up right after this.